In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the support system at Hostinger.com, ensuring that you can get the help you need efficiently and effectively. Let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to Hostinger.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the homepage. This can help you navigate more quickly in the future. Now, the next thing you want to do is look towards the bottom right corner of the page. Here you'll notice a small icon, either labeled as Help or sometimes Chat. This is your gateway to Hostinger's support team. Clicking on this icon will initiate the support process. This button is strategically placed so that it's readily accessible from any page on the website, whether you're on the homepage or looking at specific services. Before we proceed to the next step, it's important to have your account details handy because logging in enables you to receive faster support. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so. Not only does logging in make the process quicker by automatically filling in your account details, but it also allows the support team to access your account information, providing you with more personalized and efficient assistance. Once you're logged in, click that Help or Chat icon again. A chat window will pop up, usually offering you two primary options for reaching out to support. You can choose to start a live chat or send a support ticket. Starting a live chat is perfect if you need immediate answers to pressing questions. You'll be connected directly with a support representative who can help resolve your issues in real time. This is great for problems that can be quickly diagnosed and fixed. Alternatively, sending a support ticket is ideal for less urgent inquiries. With this option, you can provide detailed information about your issue, and the support team will get back to you as soon as they have a solution or need more details from you. Now that we've gone through all the steps, remember that reaching out for help is a smart way to utilize resources and ensure you get the support you need to run your online project smoothly. Having assistance just a few clicks away can be incredibly reassuring, whether you're troubleshooting a problem or simply seeking advice on a new feature. By leveraging Hostinger's support system to its fullest, you can enhance your experience and become more adept at using all their available tools. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and feel more confident about getting in touch with Hostinger's support. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care.